Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to have chicken escalope. So the main ingredient is the chicken. I already marinated with paprika, salt, pepper and some garlic powder, olive oil, and then the potato. I cut it already. And the garnish with that, when I use the chicken, I'm gonna dip it first in the flour, then eggs, then breadcrumbs, and then we are going to fry it here in the oil. And we're also gonna need this tomato sauce. It goes very good with it. We need tomato, onion, hot pepper, ketchup, and the third dish is the cabbage salad with mayonnaise. And we have here the artichoke. I boil it already. I'm gonna cut it in half. I have here garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. You just drizzle it on top of it and you are in heaven. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the chicken. The chicken, we need the eggs, quarter cup of milk, some salt, black pepper. Mix them good because we are going to dip the chicken here. The flour, I already put little salt, pepper, paprika with it. So the chicken breast, I already cut it in half and pounded them and marinate them maybe like 2 hours before. So you put it here, cover it with flour, and now I'm gonna take it and put it here with the eggs. Make sure to cover it all. And now you take it to the breadcrumbs. This is the first one. Just do the same thing to all of them. Yeah, it's much easier to use your hands. In this way the flour will get all around the chicken. Okay. So now I'm gonna let them rest like maybe 3-4 minutes. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna make the tomato sauce. That goes very well with it. Gonna drizzle some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, 1 onion. Gonna wait until they are like blister clear. Oh, I'm gonna add the tomato. I had 6 tomatoes, cubed, jalapeno. If you like it spicy, you can put more jalapeno. Or if you don't like the hot, you can use the bell pepper, the green one. I'm gonna add salt, black pepper, and margarine. Margarine is mardakouche. This goes very good with mardakouche, with margarine. You add 3 tablespoons ketchup. This is the texture you want. There is not much juice in it. Okay, this is it. This is the sauce. It's ready. So I'm gonna add little salt to the French fries, to the potato before I fry it. Some people they add after, some people they add before. I do both ways. And now for the escalope, the oil is hot. So we need it in very medium heat. So it will cook evenly, not just from outside. We need it from inside and outside. So now we are frying our French fries. We are frying our chicken escalope. I'm gonna do the last step, which is mixing the cabbage with the carrots and red cabbage. I'm gonna mix it with mayonnaise. I have like half a teaspoon honey and 1 teaspoon water. I'm gonna mix it together and put some salt with it, a pinch of salt. And if you need more mayonnaise, you can put more mayonnaise. I don't put too much mayonnaise. So I'm gonna cut my artichoke hearts. I'm gonna clear the inside. Let's make it pretty. Now when I'm gonna display it, I will put some olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic. Drizzle it in top, so they will have here like a well. They will dip it in it. Who doesn't like French fries? They look so yummy. So now our dish is ready. It's time to eat. Thank you for watching me. And if you make this dish, please let me know and write it in the comment. Thank you again, and I will see you next week. Bye.
Action.
Hi my friends, today we made chicken escalope. Make sure to watch it on my YouTube, Maha's Lebanese Cuisine, and try to make it and let me know on the comments how it came out with you. Thank you very much. Bye.